Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful day. I'm out on my deck. I just thought I'd come out and enjoy me a cup of coffee I just made, and I hope you're having a great day. Start your day off with something positive, whether you read, meditate, prayer, whatever you do to get your day started. Do that and get started on a positive vibe, a positive note. My kids, I have to take them to the dentist today, so I've got a couple of errands to run. But I just wanted to relax out here in nature. It feels good, and I'm going to enjoy this coffee. Cheers. This is Starbucks from home. Oh, that's so good. So I'll see you guys later in a bit. Hey, you guys. I hope you're having a great day. We just got out of the dentist. Looks like, which kid do you think has two little cavities? Raise your hand if you've got cavities. Who had no cavities? Biggie! Hopefully we won't get any more because we're going to be flossing and doing what we're supposed to do. Correction! They're so funny. Well, we're about to head back to the house and get some things done. Just wanted to pop in real quick and say the dentist is over. Yes, hope you're having a great day. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick Publix haul. These bagel chips are so good, y'all. They were on sale this week. I had to grab me a pack, the everything bagel chips. Thank me later. Got a couple of packs of Ritz. They were on sale. I haven't had this particular spinach wrap, so when I'm going to have sandwiches, 90 calories per flatbread, thought that wasn't bad. And their spinach, whole grain fiber, they've got 9 grams. So it's about half the calories, half the net carbs. Thought I would try those out since they were on sale this week. Wanted to try some different frozen veggies. These looked really good. Oven roasters. So that looks really good. You know, with a meal, you need to put a quick veggie with it. I like to get the Publix brand of the frozen vegetables sometimes, the lima beans, broccoli. And I got this one steam in a bag that I'm going to use this week. I got my mushrooms and my sun-dried tomatoes for that vegetarian pasta dish I'm going to make that my family loves. I got some turkey smoked sausage. The chicken sausage, it was on sale. These are normally pretty expensive. And when they're on sale, I normally get some. The cheese was on sale this week. These waters are really good. I like the blood orange, it's really good. I got a couple of those. The mayo was on sale this week, so I grabbed those. I bought this creamer one other time when it was on sale. I liked it, so I thought I would get another one. I am used to using the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, but this is a refresher. It's like a prebiotic version. It's lime citrus. I thought I would give that a try. These were on sale, and I like these when I'm doing like juice cleanses and I want things that are already prepped, ready, grab it out of the fridge and drink. So today I'm probably going to have one of these Uber Greens soon because I haven't had breakfast or anything. These were on sale this week. I usually rack up on these when they're buy one get one free. That way when we want just a quick little fish sandwich, those are really good to do in the air fryer. And then here I just grabbed me an oven roasted chicken, lemon pepper flavor, and those are really good. Quick meal for dinner, that with a couple of those veggies from down there or something, maybe some mashed potatoes, and we're in. Got some lettuce. Here's the fruit section. Got some strawberries, watermelon, cherries, blackberries, blueberries. These salad kits were on sale this week, so I grabbed a couple of those. They can go with the dinner for a little side salad. And then I got some fresh corn on the cob. I'm probably going to do that crab bowl. A couple of avocados to go in sandwiches or salads. And that, I think I caught everything completes the quick little Publix haul. I think I might have missed that asparagus, my little veggie section ready for this week. This just makes your dinners go by quicker when you know what your main dish is. So there's our Publix haul, guys. So you guys, I'm about to finish off the Kavita Master Brew Kombucha. The pineapple peach is really good. This is another like live probiotics, and I buy these on the regular from Publix when they're on sale. And so I'm gonna have a little bit of this right now. It is 60 calories per bottle. I usually finish a bottle in a couple of days. It's fermented kombucha culture, gluten-free, light and refreshing, bold and smooth, or sweet and tangy are the different taste guides. This one happens to be bold and smooth, and it's really good. I like to have these every now and then, and just to get those probiotics in, prebiotics, probiotics, read up on it. You can see what you think about that, but hey, cheers.
And it never gets hard enough for you. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah. Dance with me. The music is
I'm enjoying my dinner. I added some asparagus today as the side. This is leftover spinach mushroom pasta. I've got a cook with me. You can watch to see how I prepared this, but get into it. Sun-dried tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, delish. I'm just enjoying sitting out here in the breeze. There's a nice little breeze.